Hello everyone, welcome back. Simply You Makeup here with another video. In today's video, it is going to be a comparison with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Powder Foundation. I got two shades, so I want to see which one best fits my complexion. The first one is called ZARIA and it's a tan 2. This is ZARIA right here. The second one is KATSINA Dark 2. This is KATSINA Dark 2 right here. KATSINA Dark 2 will be on my left, which will be your right. And ZARIA Tan 2 will be on my right, which will be your left. We are going to proceed with this. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for it. And it is here. This is what it looks like. It has a mirror here. It's still covered. I didn't uncover it. This is the powder, which I did swatch a little. When you lift here, there is a sponge. Very easy to manage. The little groove here gives you the opportunity to lift it up with ease. Very, very nice. Square sponge, same packaging. Everything is on the back. KATSINA Dark 2. Let me swatch it so you can see. Very smooth. This is what it looks like. KATSINA Dark 2. ZARIA Tan 2 is gonna go on this side. So I'll swatch it right here so you can see. This is it right here. I don't know if you can see, one is ZARIA, one is KATSINA. Since they both have sponges that are square, I will use this one with ZARIA, but with KATSINA, I will use this sponge, a different sponge, so we can keep track of what's really what. So now, my right, your left, ZARIA. I have the e.l.f. Putty Primer on. I put a little bit of the e.l.f. Putty Primer. Now ZARIA, here we go. ZARIA is Tan 2. So far it's applying very nice and smooth. No skipping. It doesn't look like I have anything, so I keep adding more. I'm adding a lot more so you can see it better. ZARIA. Nothing on this side. My right side, which is your left side when watching this video, is ZARIA Tan 2. Looks really nice. KATSINA Dark 2, left side. And I'm using a different sponge so we don't confuse the sponges. And we are ready to see what it looks like. Did I make the right choices? Ooh. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is it. This is this one. ZARIA. This is ZARIA. This is KATSINA. Okay, let's see, because sometimes the swatches don't do you justice. Zaria. My right, your left. KATSINA. My left, your right. Which one do you think fits me better? They are smooth powders. This is my left, your right, KATSINA. This is my right, your left, ZARIA. ZARIA is tan 2. KATSINA is dark 2. This is what it looks like on my skin. Beautiful, light, airy, no streaks, apply smoothly. I think Juvia has a winner. Juvia's place have a winner. Juvia's place have a winner. Take a look at this. I mean, look at this. Can you tell a difference? These are the two sponges. Can you tell a difference? Let me know if you can tell a difference. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know if you're going to pick up these powders, foundation press powders from Juvia's. Were you thinking about it? Were you on the fence about it? Do you have it? And if you do have it, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. But I like this. I'm going outside right now to take a few pictures so I can put in there for you so you can see it in natural light. This is artificial light. I'm going outside and I'll take some pictures and I'll stick them in there so you can see what it looks like. 2 different shades. Dark 2, tan 2. Let's talk in the comments. Just a short video to show you what my face look like in the sun. My right side is ZARIA tan 2. My left side is KATSINA dark 2. I'm just taking a short clip so you can see. Outside in the sun. And then we are in the shade. Again, today's word is let us be empowered by our positive thoughts. Let us be empowered by our positive thoughts. I will see you in the next video. Bye.